Have you ever found yourself lost in the world of TikTok just by scrolling? Why not make some extra cash out of it? You're already one step ahead and earning just by watching their videos. It's pretty easy. For every TikTok video that you watch, you get to earn $4. And if you watch 2 TikTok videos, you can earn $4 more for a total of $8. Still watching more videos? That's even better. You will then earn twice as much. And just by continuously doing this, you can earn as much as $600 or even more. Now, how can we actually make money from this hustle? First thing you have to do is something that you actually have been doing. Just simply go to TikTok. Go to the search bar and type in funny trending videos, for example. The result will show you different videos with hundreds and thousands of views to 1 million. Now, this only goes to show that there is quite a high demand for videos like this, and nobody can stop watching them. Now, to make some cash out of this, start out by selecting any of the videos from the search results, like this one. This looks like it has potential. Now, you would want to watch the entire video just to make sure that it's funny, because if it doesn't seem funny to you, you can always choose from other videos that came out when you searched funny trending videos. But if it does seem funny to you, chances are people will feel the same way too. Now, I'm going to use this video because it has good analytics with its number of views, likes, and other engagements. After this, all you gotta do is screenshot a part of the video just like what I'm doing right now. You can either use your mobile phone or your laptop with its built-in snipping tool. Here's the result of the screenshot that I took. Since I'm pretty satisfied with this, I'm going to head on to the next step. By the way, you should keep in mind that this is not exclusive to funny trending videos. You can always input other phrases and watch out for the next big thing. I'm only showing you this as an example for anyone who doesn't know where to start. Just make sure that the videos you've chosen have a lot of views because nobody wants to watch a video that nobody likes. But if you run out of ideas, just hop on to Google and type in the search bar viral niches on TikTok. It will then show you all the ideas that you can use. All you gotta do is check on the results, look through the list of ideas, and there you go. For example, let's check this one out. Just go straight to the list and then try to search on TikTok like turning your profession into TikTok fame, or pranks, storytelling, dancing, and so much more. So now that you already got your topics, the next step is to go to canva.com. If you already have an account, all you gotta do is log in with your credentials. However, if you don't have an account just yet, there is absolutely no need to stress out because setting up an account in Canva will literally take you a few minutes. Just like all other platforms, you can just click on the sign up button, choose either sign up with Google, Facebook, or even just your email account. Once you're in, just click on create a design button. Go down a bit to choose custom size and manually type in 1080 by 1920, and then select new design. For the next step, you'll want to look at your left screen and then look for the uploads option. Select upload files and then choose the image from the device that you're using. Uploading it will literally take only a few seconds. Once the upload is complete, simply drag the image towards your white canvas, position it, and then add a few elements. And add captions to make your image catchy. Make sure to add a play button to your image as well. You can do this by simply heading over to the Elements section and look for a button image that you would want to use, just like this one. Now that your image is done, you'll have to save it by clicking on the Share button, go down a bit, and select the Download button. Now that you have a TikTok video chosen and an image that you've created, I will head on to show you how you can use these 2 elements to start generating more income easily. Check out this image right here. This shows the payout transactions of people who have been earning just by doing this hustle. Don't worry, because you will know how to earn the same amount too if you just continue watching this video. The next website that we will be using is something that you probably already heard of, Pinterest.com. Pinterest gets tons of user traffic because of its wide selection of features and the overall experience that they offer to their consumers. This website is popular even to those living outside of the US. With this website, we will start to make some cash online with the help of the TikTok video we've selected and the image that we made a while back. All you gotta do is sign in, or if you don't have an account just yet, simply create one like we did with Canva earlier. Once done, just simply select the drop-down option of the Create button and choose Create Pin. Add in your image by double-checking right here and then select the image that you created. Add in the title of your TikTok video and then don't forget to include the words "Watch now." Then, you'll have to add your link here, but hold on because this part can get tricky, but just stay on the video and continue this step-by-step tutorial to be guided. Anyone who stumbles upon your Pinterest post will see your image and would want to click on the link that you shared for them to see the actual video. However, you should not directly put the TikTok link of the videos on your Pinterest because you will not be able to earn money. Instead, just follow these steps that I'm going to be sharing to you to ensure that you get a piece of the pie whenever someone clicks your link. Alright, so to create the link that will ensure us money, open the website called shrinkme.io. And just like what we've done to the past website, simply fill up the registration form to create your account. I'm pretty sure that this is easy for you by now. Just verify your email and you're good to go. Now for the exciting part. Shrinkme.io allows different payment methods such as PayPal, Payeer, Bitcoin, and much more. You can even withdraw for as low as $5. Awesome, right? Going back to the website, this is what your screen will look like. All you gotta do is click New Shorten Link, paste the link of the TikTok video here, and hit the shorten button. Then paste the generated link to your Pinterest. Make sure to create a board on Pinterest first before you can publish your image. To do this, just simply create one by simply selecting the drop-down button beside the Publish button, select Create Board, type in a name for it for whatever you like, and simply hit the Create button. Now finally, click on the Publish button and you're all good. However, sometimes Pinterest doesn't accept all the links generated from shrinkme.io. But don't worry because I got you covered. Simply use Linktree. This website will transform your ShrinkMe link to another form of the link that Pinterest will accept. Just like a middleman connecting all the gaps in a transaction. Whenever someone visits your ShrinkMe.io link, you earn money, and that's just it. Imagine earning a couple of extra bucks just by watching TikTok videos. A little dedication and a whole lot of TikTok can definitely help you earn a couple bucks more. How much more if you do this on a regular basis? Just imagine the amount of money you can generate. This can be accessed by anyone, anywhere in the world. All you gotta have is an internet connection, your computer, or even just your smartphone. Thanks a lot for sticking it out till the end of this video. Have you already tried earning some extra cash on TikTok? Comment your experience down below to share it with our growing community. If you want to know more about these side hustle opportunities, just leave a comment on what topics we should explore next. And don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, subscribe if you haven't, and hit that notification bell so that you'll be notified when we have other videos up. Now remember, being wealthy does not only mean financial wealth, it's how you interpret it to be. Check out our other videos to start your journey now, take control of your life, and be on the wealthy side. See ya!